Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can view your dash cam footage without connecting the USB to your computer or whatnot. All you have to do is just follow this video. Hey guys, so first thing you gotta do is buy this thing. It's called SanDisk Connect, and this USB comes with a Wi-Fi built in, so you can just connect it to your car and then it's gonna have some footage on the USB and then you can view that through your phone. Mine is 64 gigabytes. I bought it off eBay for $25 and I got pretty lucky because this USB, guys, costs like $70 to $90 right now for 64 gigabytes, and for 32 they have it on Amazon for actually 120. I'm gonna leave a few links down below and check them out. You should buy this on eBay because it's just a cheaper way right now, and you can get a 64 gigs. So once you have this USB, first what you want to do is go to your computer, convert this USB to FAT32, and I have a video on my channel over here if you guys want to check that out. And once you convert it, so once the USB is converted, you gotta make a folder inside called DASHCAM, and then once you do that, you gotta connect this USB to one of the ports on your car, and then just make sure that it's recording by checking the screen. There's gonna be an icon with a red dot that's gonna pop up, and that means that the USB is working properly and the car's recording some footage and saving it somewhere. Once you have some footage on this USB, what you want to do is unplug it. That's the best way I found how to use it. You unplug it, there's this button right here on the side to turn on the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'm gonna go to my Wi-Fi settings on my phone, and the app that you need is called SanDisk Connect or Connect Drive, and you gotta get that one. Or there's another one that's called SENTRY View, but that one costs $8. But the perks of the SENTRY View is that you can view all the cams at the same time, so all 4 cameras you can see live without checking each single one video, which camera you need and which one you don't for that event that happened. And I might get that later, but as of right now I'm fine with the free app, which is Connect Drive. So once you connect to your USB, it's gonna be named SanDisk Connect, and there's gonna be a code of some sort of this USB. So if you're not able to connect to your USB, make sure it's inside the car when you connect, and then you gotta pull it out because it's gonna be in USB mode, which is being used right now. And then I'm gonna pull it out real quick, and as you can see, my DASHCAM folder popped up, and I have 2 folders inside: recent clips and saved clips. I just saved the clip right now just to show you guys. So if you go to saved clips, there's a folder of the date, and then you can review all 4 cams. It's a black screen on every video right now because I'm actually recording my screen. So let me just show you on camera. Sideways, you can see that's the front camera, just recording whatever is in front of me. That's the saved clip, and then I'm gonna go back and show you the recent clips of me driving. So as you can see right here, the video is live, and that's my footage of me driving on a highway, empty roads. So that's how it works, guys. You can easily check it out right there. And if you go for the SENTRY View app, which is $8, you can view all 4 videos at the same time. They're not going to be as many files. It's probably going to be 1 file that you click, and then 4 videos are going to pop up on the same screen, and you can look at all the screens. So basically like 3 or 4 screens, 3 or 4 cameras on one screen, and that's going to be even easier and better for most of the people. So as of right now, I don't really want to do that. I'm good with the free version because I can either way check all the videos. And another perk of having this USB is that you can go into the app and delete all the footage on the USB. And that's a good one because when I had the other USB, it would run out of space and it would run out of storage, and I would have to take it home, plug it in, delete everything, and take it back to my car. Whereas here I can just connect through my phone, delete everything, have more space on it, and keep recording more videos. Took like 30 minutes from 80 to 270, not bad. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, leave a like, comment down below if you have any questions. I'll definitely respond, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.